Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Quick Push Game. First, let's get familiar with the game's setup. The main goal is to push all the illuminated buttons as fast as you can. Make sure your game device is fully charged or has fresh batteries. Take a moment to locate the various buttons and the display screen. Understanding the basic layout is key before you begin your first round. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay. When a button lights up, press it immediately. Your reaction time is crucial here. The game often presents patterns, so try to anticipate the next light. Be careful not to press any buttons that are not lit, as this can result in a penalty or a loss of points. Aim for both speed and precision to maximize your score. Quick Push Game offers several exciting modes. In Memory Mode, you'll need to recall and repeat button sequences. Score Mode challenges you to press as many correct buttons as possible within a time limit, often 60 seconds. Level Mode increases difficulty as you progress, introducing faster and more complex patterns. Developing a consistent rhythm can significantly boost your performance across all modes. To truly master Quick Push Game, consistent practice is essential. The more you play, the better your hand-eye coordination and reaction time will become. Pay close attention to the game's patterns. Sometimes there are subtle cues. Challenge your friends to see who can achieve the highest score, perhaps aiming for over 1,000 points. Keep playing, and you'll see your skills improve dramatically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.